Imagine a workplace that provided free breakfast, lunch and dinner to all staff every day. Unlimited snacks and drinks right by your desk, free gym access, an on-site doctor, a hairdresser, video games, sleeping pods to take a nap, even fire poles and slides to go down a level so there's no need to take the stairs. You can even bring your dog to work. Well, it's a reality and it's called the Googleplex, Google's US headquarters in California. Thousands of lucky employees get to call this place their office, and it's about the size of 7 football pitches. Why does the company provide all these perks and benefits? It all relates to Google's corporate culture, a set of beliefs ingrained by the founders of the business to create a certain atmosphere. Let's talk culture. This is Think 4. Let's use the topic of corporate culture at Google to consider how best to address exam questions that ask you to discuss. These are usually fairly high value, maybe 5 or 6 marks, so you want to know your approach here. A discussion, whether it's an exam question or just over coffee with a friend, usually involves 2 points of view. When writing your answers here, this is what you should aim for. Essentially, you're required to present advantages and disadvantages. Let's say you have a 6-mark question like this. Discuss the impact of an organisation having a strong corporate culture. Most people would tackle this by offering 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages, and that's perfect. However, there is flexibility here. You can still achieve full marks in your answer, even if you can think of 5 advantages and only 1 disadvantage. This may seem a little unbalanced, but you're still offering 2 points of view. The advantages are perhaps easy. Some examples might include: the relaxed working environment will result in staff feeling less pressure at work, making them more productive. The facilities available to staff may help them achieve a work-life balance, and so they'll be more loyal to Google. The wide range of benefits on offer will help attract high-quality applicants to work there. The counterpoints or downsides, however, can be harder to think of, but they are still required if you are to provide a balanced answer. You might perhaps highlight that establishing and maintaining this kind of infrastructure in a workplace takes massive initial investment, costs that the company must bear. Or perhaps you could argue that this type of corporate culture might actually put off some very good people who don't share those values or who prefer a more structured and traditional corporate setting. Coming back to the Google example again, a risk of this very relaxed culture, where you can even take an afternoon nap, is that some employees may lose focus and perhaps not produce the level of work they're capable of. You could write, depending on the workplace layout, some staff may feel isolated or unable to communicate effectively with colleagues. A lack of structured working arrangements may impact productivity in the organisation. The discuss command word then generally requires you to present 2 sides of a story. You may also see this referred to as costs and benefits, which is the same as advantages and disadvantages. One note of caution here though, sometimes the question may ask you for one side of the story only. For a good example of this, check out the 2018 Higher Business Past Paper, question 1F. This is a 6 marker and is based on case study material too, so it's fairly challenging. Another common mistake to watch out for when tackling discussion questions, especially on corporate culture, is that some candidates are too descriptive in talking about the methods of establishing this, like having a casual dress code or a cool office layout like Google, rather than talking about the costs and benefits of these things. The Googleplex is home to a very unique corporate culture. Part high-tech internet firm, part intellectual think tank, part Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. And you may well be thinking, that's the place for me. Free pizza and a slide to get downstairs sounds cool. But there are issues with this, and you should be ready to discuss those. Every corporate culture has its pros and cons, so when you're tackling those discussion questions, make sure to read the exact wording and balance your answer carefully. Good luck. Thanks for watching. This was Think 4.